The animal of the day, June 12th, is the Inca Tern, or the binomial name Larosterna inca. Type: seabird. Diet class: piscivory. Average lifespan: 12 to 14 years in the wild. Size: 15 to 16 inches or 38 to 40 centimeters in length. Wingspan: about 30 to 32 inches or 76 to 81 centimeters. Weight: around 6 to 7 ounces or 170 to 200 grams. Population status currently the 12th of June 2025, near threatened. Population estimate: unknown. Native lands: the western coast of South America. Primary habitat: marine coastal environments such as rocky shorelines, cliffs, and offshore islands. Main predators: peregrine falcons, hawks, gulls, crows, and introduced rats and cats. Diel activity: diurnal. Species age: at most 5 million years old. Collective noun: a flock or a colony. Notes: the Inca tern is a species of tern among the family Laridae found along the Pacific coasts of Chile, Ecuador, and Peru, and it has also appeared as a vagrant in Central America and Hawaii. The Inca tern is the sole member of its genus Larosterna, and it has no accepted subspecies, and despite its distinct plumage, it is not particularly basal among the terns, being more closely related to typical sterna terns than any of the superficially much more similar genera. Adult Inca terns have a mostly dark, slate-gray body with paler underwing coverts and a slightly paler throat with a white stripe that extends back from the base of the bill and fans out like a Salvador Dali-esque mustache as long, satiny feathers along the side of the neck. The trailing edge of the Inca tern's wings, the tips of the secondary and the 3 inner primaries are white, the tail is black and moderately forked, the iris is brown, the legs and feet are dark red, and the bill is bright to dark red with the bare skin around the base of the beak being yellow. Inca tern chicks right after hatching are purplish-brown, progressing through brownish-gray before developing mature plumage, and the bill and legs are dark and horn-colored, gradually attaining the red. The Inca tern is essentially non-migratory, although some disperse northwards after breeding and some rogue individuals have flown greater distances. The Inca tern is primarily a piscivory, feeding on small fish such as oncoveta, as well as planktonic crustaceans and offal or carrion. Large flocks of Inca terns will congregate around fishing boats and will also follow the feeding patterns of cormorants, sea lions, whales, and dolphins, with the feeding flocks being able to exceed 5,000 birds. The Inca tern catches its prey primarily through plunge diving, but it will also pick items from the surface while flying or floating on the water. Breeding does not appear to be concentrated in a particular season, with eggs having been found between April and July and between October and December, along with other evidence of breeding being noted in August. The Inca tern will lay a usual clutch size of 2 eggs, although only one may be laid, with both male and female parents participating in incubation and provisioning the young. The incubation period of Inca terns is not known, but fledging occurs about 4 weeks after hatching, and the young are fully dependent on the adults for at least a month after fledging.